Dun-dun. Here you go, guys. I am done. Okay, this is the compass. We had to put the engine in. Remember, the engine was sitting on the side outside, and they brought it. I was complaining because it was a junky ass engine. Well, turned out it works perfectly. Okay, now the reason we replaced it is because it was using oil, burning oil. All right, yes, guys, this has had the flash update that controls the brick. This thing is equipped with a what we call a brick, valves opening and closing. I'm not sure what the flash do to the engine to prevent or stop it from burning oil. I'm gonna have to read up some more on that. However, I don't know if this one burned oil. I just put it in. That's all I was told to do. That's all the warranty company paid for. So I just got it steam clean and I parked it. Now get a load of this. My spider sense kicked in. Guess what? I called her. Wait a minute. Don't come get it yet. I forgot something, guys. Yes, me. I freaking forgot something. You know what I forgot? To refill the system back up with AC. Remember, guys, we drained the AC system because we removed the compressor. This is 1234YF. All right, so I got to get the AC back filled up. Evacuate, y'all know how crazy that machine is, right? Evac and recharge, it's gonna put it back in, take it back out, put it back in. Yeah, brutal process, but I have to do that because they don't want to be riding around without no AC. It's starting to get hot. Now, what happens next, guys? Here's the engine over here. What happens to this engine? They don't want it for core or nothing. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm hanging on to these coils to put in my cabinet for spare parts. Okay, I've already swiped the cam sensor. I needed this. I'm gonna get that off of here. I'm gonna get some things off of here. Purge valve, I had to put that back on the other car. I'm gonna rip this down. I'll probably hang on to this wiring harness. Then we're gonna set it over there and it's gonna be scrap. Oh yeah, we gotta keep the intake. You never know when you might break an intake or a fuel rail. Remember, I got a used engine, so this is not all junk, but can this engine in fact be fixed? Now, anybody want to take a stab what's really wrong with this? Okay, if you're burning oil, it's only one way you can lose oil. You either burning it or leaking it. This had no leaks, so it must be burning it internal. Now, what would cause that? I don't know. Piston rings, yeah, valve stem oil seals, who knows? So the thing is, who wants to take time to remove this head and repair such? Okay, we don't do that anymore. Look at this, guys. This is all aluminum. Look at that. Nobody wants to go in here. Nobody fix engines anymore. We're living in a different era, all right? We're living in a throwaway society. Okay, when we're done with something, it goes over there to the scrap. Right? Yeah, it's not the same as, I had an older guy tell me we crazy for not fixing some of these engines. We just don't do that anymore. Okay, I've been around in the shop a minute. Yes, I was around when we was taking heads off, putting rings in them. I still got some of my tools. They're worthless right now. Timing light, piston rings, yeah, all of that stuff is worth. So that's just the society or the world we live in now. But this engine gonna end up being scrapped. I don't know. Will I ever need a flywheel? I don't know. Well, anyway, guys, I'm talking too much. Let me get out of here. That's all I have. Just want to let y'all know that it's done. She can finally come get her car. Yeah, Pearl's like a kid. All right, so we'll see. Y'all stay tuned. I gotta go.